What is up, Jerk Squad? It is the Perch Jerker, and I'm out here at West Branch in Northeast Ohio today. I came out here with both of my brothers. I got my brother Steven with me, and I got my brother Mark with me. And Mark literally just hooked up on a fish the second we get here. He's got a nice bluegill over there, honestly. Yeah, that's a nice bluegill. But yeah, we just got here. The brothers came out today. We're fishing on the kayaks. This is our view. We're back here in this little cove, and I know there's tons of bluegill. Obviously, he just got one. So we're just gonna keep throwing worms in here. We got some lures we're gonna throw later, and yeah, we're just gonna cruise around today in the kayaks, and we'll show you all the action we get, and yeah, hopefully we catch something cool. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's get some fish. Oh, I'm on a fish. I'm on a fish. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, that's a fatty bluegill. All right, there we go, guys. I caught a little bluegill. This is honestly one of the biggest bluegills I've caught out of here so far. But yeah, there we go. Starting out the day right. I'm using a little worm, and I'm fishing on this little princess pole, dude. It works perfect. All right, back in the water. Boop. There we go. What is it? Oh, it's another gill. Oh yeah, we got another bluegill on, dog. That's what I'm talking about. All right, bluegill action. There we go. All right, thumbs up, Jerk Squad. We're catching fish. All right, Stewie just caught a fish too. This is drop shot Stewie over here, guys. All right, go ahead and throw it back in, Stu. Nice fish, dude.
Yeah, thanks.
And for anyone that doesn't know, this is my little brother. Drop shot Stewie, guys. He's out here jerking them. All right, let's get back on him. There we go. Oh man. There we go. I caught my first perch of the day, you guys. Jerking perch. You already know that we're out here jerking these perch. All right, guys, there's this cute little guy. Ow, stupid. All right, there he is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get the baby perch back into the water. Here, I'll throw him towards you. Stewie! Oh my God, that's the biggest perch I've seen today. All right, there we go. Drop shot Stewie done pulled out the biggest perch of the day so far. He's out here jerking deep. All right, good job, Stewie. Throw her back in.
Another one.
Nice job, brother. Oh, man, is it? Oh, get it in, Mark. You guys, Mad Dog Mark's on a good fish. A lot better than what we've got.
Oh, yeah.
Bring it up, get it, lip it.
Oh, big boy.
Oh, Mark, dude. Oh my gosh. I told you, dude, right over by them lilies, bro. Dude, Mad Dog Mark with the big bass, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow, dude, that is epic, Mark. Mad Dog Mark. Bam. All right, Jerk Squad, there's Mark's huge bass, dude. Look at this thing. I'm gonna release it for him. I'm gonna get it breathing a little bit, and then we let her go. Boom. All right, she's gone. There we go, Jerk Squad. Mark, Mad Dog Mark done pulled in the huge bass, you guys. Mark, dude, yes. All right, cheers, Jerk Squad. It's sandwich time. And everybody knows that nothing hits like a sandwich out on the water, dude. Tastes like a steak. All right, what you got there, Mark?
I don't know. Perch, I think.
Yeah, that's definitely a perch. Yeah, nice, dude. Nice catch, man.
Yeah.
Mad Dog Mark out here killing it. All right, yeah, hold him up to the camera real quick. Yeah, dude. Let's see him. There you go. Oh yeah, that's a perch all day, baby. Jerking perch with the Perch Jerker. That's what's up. All right, get him back in. Bloop. Nice dog, Mad Dog Mark out here killing it. Woo! I got something here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, dude, that's a fat bluegill. All right. Yeah, dude. Wee. Yeah, man. There we go, Jerk Squad. We just jerked a little bluegill. Bluegill, sunfish, I don't know. You guys let me know what you call these things down in the comments. I know people got different names for them. But look at the colors on that. That's so cool. I love how their cheeks are like metallic blue. That's so fun. And it's got this little black dot on its head. All right, cool, guys. All right, let's throw that back in. Bloop. Let's get another one. What's this? What do we got on here? Get up here. Yeah. Another bluegill. Yay, another sunny fish. Summertime. And the guppies are easy. Come on, little fishy. Get out of there. There we go. We jerked another bluegill, Jerk Squad. Oh, these things are fun too. You see your bobber like going up and down, and then all of a sudden, boom, it's gone. All right, back into the water. Beep. I think this is a fish. It is. There we go. Tiny little bluegill. Little baby guppy. Oh yeah, that is a tiny one over there on the tree. Ooh, let's send him back. He'll attract some big bass. All right, Stu with the perch. That's nice. Yeah, lip him up, dude. Oh, that is a nice perch.
Oh yeah.
Damn, drop shot Stewie slamming the perch. Yeah, lip him. Lip him up and hold him out in front of the cam. Yeah, Stewie, dude, that's nice. That is a nice perch. All right, Stu, nice fish, dude. Send her back. Send her back in. Nice, dude. That was a beautiful perch, man. Jerking the perch, guys. Oh, Mark's on. Oh, Mark, dude, that's a fat bluegill, man. Oh, dude, that is a fatty. Yeah, let me come get a gander at it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, let's see this bluegilly. Oh, nice, dude. Here, let me see that boy. Dude, that's a nice one, Mark. Mad Dog Mark plucking these things out, dude. All right, let's get her back in. Beep. Ooh, I'm getting hits nonstop. Come on, something take it. You can see my bobber in the water there. Here, I'll give you guys an angle so you can watch it. We'll wait for that bad boy to go under. Set your hook, bring her in. Come on, I just want a Mondo perch, dude. 7-pound perch caught on pink pole. Dang, something is playing with it big time. I need it to commit. It's got commitment issues. I'm getting bit. Oh man, I was just on. Oh, it's on. It is on. Oh, that's a good fighter too. Yay, a little blue. Ow. Oh, that thing just stabbed me. All right, he didn't even swallow it. I was able to get it out easy. All right, cool. So this bluegill lives to see another day. All right, back in, bluegill. Whee! Stewie! Dang, nice, Stu, on the perch. Another perch. Dang, I don't know if I'm the perch jerker or you are. Stewie can't get off these perch, man. He's hammering it. Yeah, you guys, this is so fun out here. We're literally catching fish non-stop. Like, every time we cast, we got fish. All right, here's my view out here on the lake, Jerk Squad. This is the big part of the lake where it opens up. And I'm gonna cruise across, I don't know, about halfway of what you see, and then we'll be to the car. There's like an island out here because the water is so low. The water is very low out here today. Very low. But yeah, we're headed in, Jerk Squad. Me and my brothers are gonna go back to my mom's house and we're gonna go jump in the pool because we're hot as heck out here. Almost said a bad word, uh-oh. But yeah, we're gonna get in before it gets too bad out here. There's like storms coming and stuff. And you do not want to be set on this lake when there's a storm coming through, dude. Especially in a kayak, so. All right, Jerk Squad, this was real. Had a fun time with my brothers. We caught a bunch of fish. Now we're gonna go back, get in the pool, so I'll see you guys next episode. Thanks for chilling. Like and subscribe. Perch merch store, you know the deal. All right, see you guys. Love you guys. Peace.